Hi there, it's Peter here, and in this video I'm gonna give you 7 bad tips. Let's get right into it. Bad tip number 1. Get all the newest gear. You cannot photograph if you have old gear because camera manufacturers are making better and better cameras every year, and without all those features and all that image quality that they can provide, you just cannot make any photographs. You need the best and the most expensive gear. And remember, when there is a new camera introduced, your old camera comes obsolete. It's really bad after that, so get the newest gear. Bad tip number 2. Go full frame. Yes, with a tiny sensor, it's impossible to make good images. You need that full frame sensor like every decent photographer has. You cannot do anything with a smaller camera, with the smaller sensor. It's just impossible. You need that full frame, all that nice bokeh, all that everything in that big sensor. It's a holy grail of photography to have full frame. Bad tip number 3. What you need is fast glass. Don't buy anything if it's not f1.2 or less. 0.95 should be. And there was even one guy who said that the 150 to 400 millimeter f4.5 lens is not for pros because it's not f2.8. So I believe this guy, and remember, always use only fast glass, because if it's not f1.2 or f0.95, it's no good. And if you don't have fast glass, you're only a shutter button pusher. Bad advice number 4. Since you have those super fast lenses, always photograph full open, because bokeh is the thing that defines a professional photographer from a shutter button pusher. So remember, always full open, because that creamy nice bokeh is everything in the photograph. Nothing else matters but the bokeh. Bokeh is the thing. Remember that. And bad advice number 5. Fix it in post. Why on earth bother learning all the things about photography techniques and do everything while shooting? Because you can fix everything in post. We even have AI. You don't even have to worry about the skies anymore. Just add a sky that you like with AI, and it's gonna make you a lot better photographer if you fix everything in post. You don't have to make the composition right. Just crop it afterwards. Exposure doesn't matter. Just fix it in post, and you will be a great photographer. And bad advice number 6. Do not use any kind of image stabilizing. Not the IBIS, not the one in the lens. It will ruin your photographs. If you turn it on, it will ruin the micro contrast on your images. And of course, when you pixel peep 800%, you can see that. Well, nobody else can. Because when the sensor or the lens is moving during your exposure, it will ruin the sharpness of your images, and all your images will be blurry if you use any kind of image stabilizer. It doesn't matter if it's in a sensor or in the lens, it will ruin everything for you. So as a professional or wannabe professional, remember, turn the image stabilizer off. It will make you spin sharp images, and you can watch them all day at 800%. After the 7th bad idea or bad tip, there's going to be an extra bad. Bad tip number 7. Shoot weddings. It's easy money. Weddings are the holy grail of every photography business. Can you imagine working only 1 day a week? Tons of money in there. You can send a huge bill. And remember, usually the wedding parties, there's good food and a lot of booze. What a best job in the world. 1 day of work. That's it. And then 6 days off, and then another wedding, and tons of money coming your way. And then the extra bad. Reading is always an important thing in learning. So why not spend all your time reading photography forums and what's also important, conversation. So a good argument and telling everybody how things are on a photographic forum will make you a better photographer, and the others also will be better when you tell them how things are on a forum. So that's a really important thing. Remember that. Don't go out and shoot. Spend your time on photography forums and tell others how things are. I hope you enjoyed this a bit silly video, and if you want really some good advice, check out that video. But hey, thanks for watching, and bye for now.